Good evening, everyone. My name is Tanya. I'm Frontend team lead at Valory, where we are building the next generation of AI apps, the AI agent app store called Pearl. And we all know that Pearl forms slowly. It grows inside an oyster, and it's shaped by time and care. And we see a connection here with AI agents. They can be powerful, but only when carefully designed and are truly useful. And they are like the new pearls of our digital lives. But how easy is it today to find one that really helps you? Life with AI has been mostly a conversation. You ask it a question, it responds. Sometimes it can even take action. But the problem is you have to constantly coach it, especially for some complex tasks. And on top of that, it often responds with some warnings, such as here, or some suggestions instead of real advice, or unnecessary affirmations, we all know that. But imagine instead, there is an AI tool that works quietly in the background and takes care of repetitive tasks for you, like a smart and independent assistant. And we've seen a lot of examples of real good AI tools coming out, but they all share a few problems. First of all, you cannot truly own them, you can only rent them, and the control stays with the company that built them. Also, for different tasks, we require different tools. So many of us probably noticed that small tasks are better handled by ChatGPT, but for some complex processing of like big documentation and researches, you have to switch to Gemini or Claude, and like this might be a little annoying. And most of them are black boxes. You send some requests to it, to AI tool, and it sends it to some external service and it responds, but you have very little visibility of what's happening behind the scenes. But we believe there is a better way to handle that. A world where interacting with AI agents is simple, transparent, and fully yours. You should be able to run your own agent with control and custody without relying on some external companies. You should also be able to run and discover many different agents in a single software or application. And you should always understand what your agent is doing and have full visibility of its activity. And that's why we're so excited to introduce to you Pearl, a Web3 application that brings together different AI agents in a single app. And in Pearl, you can run agents easily, even without Web3 knowledge. And all is needed is a payment card and an email. Anyone from your friends or family can do that easily. In Pearl, you can also run many different agents, and external developers can easily come and plug in their own custom agents into the system. And Pearl is built on open source principle. It has full transparency and full visibility of agents' activity. And it works very easy. You start with downloading the application, and then you choose an agent to run, and you fund it easily with a payment card, for example. Then you use one of your social accounts to set up a Google or Apple account to set up a backup wallet, which ensures that your funds remain secure and fully owned by you. Then you stake and run your agent by simply clicking on one button. And finally, you benefit from agent actions and staking rewards. And I want to emphasize now the 4 core principles we've built Pearl on. First of all, it's true ownership. All agents live on your own desktop. They are under your control fully, and they have private configuration. And we've built Pearl with Web 2-like experience, but on Web 3 rails. Easily, everyone can run their agent, as I said, and they can keep them running either in autonomous mode or via chat UI. They can set up goals for their agents and adjust their behavior. Pearl is a curated library for agents where you can discover different agents, you can stake on them, you can benefit from their activity, and all that in a single application. And last but not least, Perl is open source, it's audited, it has self-custodial recovery, and it's built with using safe wallet, which means on-chain security by design. There's no hidden processes and no black boxes. So how does it all work in details? At a high level, we have Perl. And both Perl and each agent are built with using safe wallet, which ensures security of each transactions. Then we additionally integrated with Web3 provider, which is for setting up a backup wallet, but alternatively, you can provide your own wallet. We have a wide range of options to fund your agent. You can either transfer funds to the chain where agent is operating on, or you can reach funds from, for example, Ethereum mainnet, and for that we use Relay. And finally, you can fund your agent with a payment card, and we use Transact to ensure that. Both agent and Perl interface are querying data from many major chains, like you can see here, and it's done by using RPCs directly or with subgraphs. Each agent has access to local AI models, or alternatively, if necessary, they can use external models, which is ensured by the marketplace made by Olas. And recently, we included their X402 feature. So, convincing part. To assure you that it's not all just theoretical, I wanted to share an example how our vision is used in practice. Modules agent. So the Modules agent was used to grow your crypto portfolio on the Mod network, and I wanted to share some really exciting data points that Modules reached. So in 293 days, one of the agents hit the highest ROI of 190%, and another agent highest APR was 372%. And for the whole system, the average APR was 13.8%. All these learnings and capital-efficient strategies were then used to build Optimus, an advanced version of Modules, which is operating on Optimus mainnet. So we've talked about today's AI problems, our vision for a better way, and the success that we've already seen with Modules. We believe that world of AI agents, fully owned by you, can exist in one app. And Perl makes that possible, giving you control, transparency, and simplicity. The future of AI is not about just interacting with a tool. It's about owning your digital copilot and fully understand what they do. And with Perl, that future starts today. So thanks, everyone. Here we have a QR code where you can download Perl, and close to the entrance we have Perl bar, where can you install first agent for free, prediction agent. Thanks.